Howdy folks, so here we are at Mazda and there's the MX-30. Nice, taking center stage, suicide door, very RX-8. Super cool. Right, when is this coming in? I'm sure it will, sooner or later. And of course the BT-50, which has been around for so long. I remember when the BT-50 was a Ford Ranger or vice versa. Here's the high racer variant. Pretty cool looking, gotta admit, that's pretty damn cool looking. It's got the front of the CX-9. It's very aggressive, Angry Bird looking headlights. Diesel, yeah. There's the interior. Oh, this is a manual 6-speed. Very nice seats. That's not standard. That's just to show off the interior. Standard light is like just that dome light. Pretty cool. This will definitely make its way into Malaysia for sure. And this is the other variant. Oh, it's the same. Sorry. But they're nice looking trucks. Love that front. Very garang looking front. Check this out. The Carbon Edition CX-30. Ooh, love this color. I tell you, Mazda cars are looking, vehicles, not just the cars, the vehicles are looking so good. Check that out. You know what's missing though? What happened to the MX? What was it? The MX-6 wagon. Yeah. Oh, there it is. Oh no, it's not. Sorry. The sedan wagon variant. I like that. If you got one of those, you've got a collector's item because you can't get them anymore. Another Carbon Edition Mazda 2. Interesting color. And the CX-30, which just recently got locally assembled, I think, in Malaysia. Cool beans. I very much prefer this lattice grille compared to just the regular slats on that CX-3. Nice. So hello and goodbye, Mazda. See you back home. Please, yeah, bring in the MX-30. Very nice. Thanks for watching.